Okay, so this is what's going on. This is a very nice designer chair that seems to have just come apart a number of places. So over there, over here, and over here. I don't see a wedge in there. So I don't know if I need to fix a wedge. Anyhow, I'm using my trusty old brown glue, keep it in a warm water bath. And so I'm going to paint the glue here, there, and here. Tap it together with a persuader. And then if necessary, I will clamp it with this guy. So that is the plan. Wish me luck. All right, so I'm gonna try just putting a little glue onto the brush. Work it around. And then there's a post at the top of the leg. I'm gonna paint it on here, and hopefully it's hide glue. Hide glue reactivates. New stuff activates old stuff. Brings it back to life with moisture and warmth. So, there goes nothing. Here goes nothing. All right, wish me luck. Oh, come on. Are we still rolling? All right, terrific. All right, I'm gonna put a little glue on here because this seems to have run away as well. Nice thing about hide glue is it absorbs something like 5 or 6 times its weight in water if you let it. And so it's very easy to clean up with just a wet rag. So I'm gonna try and tap these legs into place. And I don't know, that's looking pretty close actually. Not able to put too much more pressure on the stretchers. But I'm going to, shoot. Here we go. There was a stretcher over here that separated, but now they all seem to be where they're supposed to be. And so, this will be some boring television, but if you can see that, I'm gonna strap it. I'm gonna wrap this thing all the way around the chair and weave it around the legs and just tighten it up with this and keep it from going anywhere, at least on the stretchers. So that's what's up. Okay, party rocket in the background, but here's what happened is I wrapped the strap around and then I went kind of under and over, and the idea is to arrange the strap so that the brace or the stretcher here, this part, that this will keep the strap from climbing up or slipping down. And so it's all the way wrapped around, and the way I did it is this buckle if you pull it together, it will unloop with enough slack. And so it comes apart. And then on this, you loosen it up. When you turn this pulls down, and what it does, it pulls the strap tight. It brings the two ends together. So that's what's going on, and that's how I'm fixing the chair. Okay, so it's the next day, and here's what's going on. This is the strap clamp that I used and wove around the seat. This part of the clamp is fixed. There's just this little bit of strap here with the buckle. And the way it works is you turn it this way to tighten it, and it actually moves down this block right here to provide the tension. And so you'll see that I wove it around the stretcher, under that stretcher, kind of under and around there, and then underneath this guy to maintain kind of this ring of pressure. I wanted it to go this way to hold all the stretchers. This part is the stretcher, by the way, leg stretcher. I wanted to hold it tight and kind of form a tight circle going this way, kind of a horizontal force. So to remove it, just go lefty-loosey here, counterclockwise, and that part travels up, and voila.